How to do crypto trading in Binance. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can do crypto trading in Binance, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now for crypto trading, first of all, log into Binance. Whether you're on the pro one or the light one, it doesn't really matter. From the home tab, you can simply look for some of the cryptocurrency that you want to trade, or you can simply come to the trades tab. You can choose to convert your cryptocurrency over here by simply selecting an amount of cryptocurrency that you have, and then you can also be able to buy them. You can go to spot trading or you can go to margin trading, which is comfortable for you. Just select that. You can select a cryptocurrency and buy it for a certain amount of price, and later on you can simply choose to sell it for the certain amount of price as well. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically do crypto trading on Binance. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.